guys, so what did you think of this drawing? I think it turned out pretty cool actually. I was really excited doing this, and I know everyone has their opinions on KEFLA, so I'm going to get into that a little bit in a moment. But yeah, I just figured I would sum up some stuff right now. I didn't really talk throughout this video, I just wanted it to be the main focus was the drawing itself. Firstly, I just want to address something that I made as a community post, which was about a giveaway. Now, the giveaway will be coming soon. It's with Arteza. So yeah, if you guys want some art supplies, I will be running that in the next video, so make sure you got the notifications turned on and be ready for that giveaway. Also, I asked you guys over on the community post what character you'd like to see next to this. Well, you didn't actually know what I was going with really. I just kind of said like Gohan or Goku, and it was an overwhelming response towards Goku to start with, until I sort of liked one of the comments, and then I noticed that Gohan started to step up a little bit. So I did add both, and the reason I did both in the end is because I was seeing a lot of comments saying that, you know, Goku is just so heavily done, and I agree, he actually really is heavily done, and it's about time that Gohan got a bit more of the spotlight. So yeah, I wanted to mix it up a little bit, and I gave you guys both, so hopefully, you know, that's okay, giving you the best of both worlds there. Yeah, so with KEFLA, I know that she's a controversial character, and for me as well, I don't like her character, the introduction that she had into the Dragon Ball Super tournament, or just in general, the way that she was introduced. But I don't think she's a necessarily bad looking character. In terms of the character design, I don't mind the character design. She's kind of a fun character, and she brought out some of the best moments in the series. Now, I don't know what's going on in the manga right now, but that looks really cool. I do need to read it before I actually sort of give an opinion on it. But yeah, I think the manga so far looks really good, and just the fight with her and Goku was actually really cool. So despite your opinions on the character herself, I mean, I don't like the character, and I don't just like the way she sort of got involved in the series, but had she been written better, I think she would have been a fantastic character. So yeah, I haven't really got much more to say about this, guys. I hope you did enjoy this drawing, and I hope you did like it. Yeah, if you guys are watching this on the premiere, then I guess hi, I'm talking and typing live. What's up? See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.